Hello, this is Jen. This is Guan, my friend Guan. So we are going to try that how he can manage his stubble, right? So today I'm going to use this Benefit BADgal Bang eyebrow pencil, so that this is going to be really helpful to fill up the little patches between his mustache here. Also, we are going to talk about side one. So this one here, this one will go away at the end. So because he doesn't need this one, so I have like a clean profile from back. Okay, so we are going to fill this area so that it moves like a complete. So let's see, this is the black one. It comes with like 4 different colors, but then we are going to use the black because he had the black hair. Smile one, it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to fill it out little by little. So that when you take a look at it, so before you start doing this, you want to make sure that your mustache is a little bit trimmed, so that you don't have to trim so much after you fill it in. So you will really show that the area that you should fill in. So here, so we are going to very gently, like a boop, 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 like a really gentle. Like you don't even feel like you are like drawing it in, but then you need to go very slowly, very slowly. So we are going to show you that like a before and after. It's like a little by little. It's almost you don't even see it. So that if you see here and here, you can see the difference. How much it's filled in here, how much it looks empty. So we're gonna fill up then at the other side. Okay, I'm gonna try to get in. So if you see that, it's like a filling very, very subtly. So it really depends on your hair color. So the one is here, it's a black, so that we chose the black pencil. But then if you are blonde or you're ginger, then you definitely want to find the right eyeline color. The reason that I chose eyeliner is not brown color, because eyeliner comes in many different colors, so that it's much easier to find that it matches with your facial color. So that's how much we are going to fill in for now. And then a little in the bottom, and then here or so, a little bit here too. So that's how fast it can fill up. So it only takes just a few seconds. So that it's definitely something that you guys want to fill it in. Smile. So it's something that you can use. Just use a few seconds a day, and then you will give it a more complete mustache, and then looking better and then more attractive. So for Kwan, he's actually going to shave this side so that it will be more focused and design in the front. So if you have a question, just let us know, and then leave a comment below. I'll get back to you.